Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's our second day of 60 days 40% profit challenge. Today morning I searched for many pairs, but finally I got gold trade as there was a good sign of sell side, so I take a sell trade on gold. After that you can see it works and it goes down, and I take that trade with 0.05 lot. After that I search for the new trade and I find a very good trade with the EURCHF. First of all I check the fundamentals. As there was no fundamentals, then I go with the technical analysis and I got some good strategy for this, and I take that trade for the sell side, and at last I take sell trade. And yes, I forgot to mention that I already take GBPJPY trade and our gold trade was already TP hit. So our GBPJPY running with the 9 pips and the EURCHF with 3 pips. And after working 2 to 3 hours of market, I take my daily target hit with the $33, but today we made $36, and you can see our yesterday results as well, and today we made 36, and yesterday the profit was around 33. So total we have made $70 in 2 days. So this is how we work and this is our consistency. So end of the day we achieve our daily targets. And what I learned from this trading is risk management and consistency is very important in this market. All you need to have patience. And overall at the end we are in profit and made around total of $70 in 2 days. Now 1930 to be made in 58 days to achieve our targets.